Today we're going to go over basic checks for a no start condition on an MLT series light tower. Our first check is to ensure the unit has all fluids at the correct levels. Start by checking the fuel level. Remove the fuel cap and visually inspect the fuel level. If the fuel level is low, add fuel. The second check is the engine oil. First, ensure that the unit is level. Then check the oil via the dipstick. Remove the dipstick. Wipe it clean. Then reinsert the dipstick fully and remove it again to check the oil level. There are two marks on the bottom of the dipstick indicating the oil level. The mark closest to the bottom is the minimum oil level, and the mark above that one is the maximum oil level. The oil level should be between these two marks. If the oil level is low, add more oil to the oil fill. There are two oil fills, one here and one here. You can use either one. Refer to the manual for the capacity and specific oil used in this engine. Be sure not to overfill. Next, we're going to check the coolant level. Remove the radiator cap and look down into the radiator. The coolant should be at or just below the fill tube. If the coolant is low, add more, ensuring that the coolant is above the add line and below the full line in the reservoir. Refer to the user manual for the type of coolant used in your engine. Next, we'll check the battery voltage. Grab your multimeter and set it for DC voltage. Remove the terminal covers and place your multimeter probes on the battery posts to record the reading. Proper battery voltage should be about 12.3 to 12.6 volts DC. If you've performed all of these checks and your unit still does not start, please contact Generac Tech Support at 800-926-9768 extension 6551 or email mobiletechsupport@generac.com.